How to get Polybuzz to send pictures. Now, as of 2025, Polybuzz is currently expanding, which means that feature is still not available. However, they do not have a specific post or public chat in which where you can find any updates from Polybuzz. So you just gotta make sure that your Polybuzz application is the latest version. Just simply head to wherever you have downloaded the app and ensure that update button is not visible. If it is, just simply tap on that and it will automatically update by itself. Now, if you open up Polybuzz and go to any random chatbots that you'd like, there are only two options on this menu right here. The first option is actually a chat bot or a chat box in which you have a specific option to choose whatever reply you want. Now, next option is restart, delete, and mod. Now, as you can see, there is no option for a gallery or to pull up any files that you can send them over. Alternatively, is just go directly to your account, which is at the lower right portion of your screen. And here you can upload and send photos on the gallery menu. You just gotta log in or sign up to a certain account, and then after that, you can send them pictures with. You could also create characters on your preferred. So that's the alternative way on sending or to get Polybuzz to send pictures.